Its 151% increase in this year's national budget indicates the government's seriousness and sense of urgency in bridging the gap between gains in the economic stability and downloading it to real families and households in need. Hence, enhanced local government support has been utilized for broader public benefit with the launching of the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang or BBM sa Bagong Pilipinas program, which is bankrolled by a 57.87 billion fund. Our Clezo Pardilla fills us in with the particulars.
Juliet was forced to stop two of her 4 children from attending school, with her husband working as a construction laborer and earning barely enough. The family struggles to survive, covering daily school expenses and putting food on the table in Baseco, Manila.
Kulang po talaga, ma'am, yung namin sa bigas. Wala po talaga. Kasi laging kapos po eh. Dalawang po business. Swerte na po sa 3 na pagkain.
To help local government units respond more effectively to the needs of their constituents, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has allocated 57.87 billion pesos under the Local Government Support Fund or LGSF. This is 37 billion pesos higher than last year, the largest allocation in history. The president says empowering local government units is key to accelerating development in cities, municipalities, and provinces.
Mamamahagi tayo na 60 kilong bigas sa higit 5 milyong pamilyang Pilipino. Makakatanggap ang bawat pamilya ng 10 kilong bigas sa loob ng 6 na buwan kada taon. Sa tulong na ito, may maihahin na sa hapag ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Mas magiging maayos ang nutrition ng ating mga kabataan at kahit papano'y gagaan ang gastusin sa araw-araw.
The program is expected to benefit provinces like Zamboanga del Sur, where poverty incidence remains high.
Isipin mo, malayo na kami sa national government. Parang iniisip ng Mindanao ba, iniisip namin pa madinig pa kaya yung mga pangangailangan natin. So, malaking bagay na ganun yung allocation kasi mapupunta talaga kahit dun sa pinakamalayo na barangay.
The fund may also be used for farm-to-market roads, infrastructures, evacuation centers during disasters, and facilities for renewable energy and clean water supply. In San Juan City, the local government plans to use its allocation to upgrade the San Juan Medical Center.
Gusto ho namin kasi maging level 3 hospital po kami. Marami po kaming kagamitan na kailangan. Kapag ang hospital ay makumpleto ng mga kagamitan, we can accommodate more patients. Thus, we can increase the bed capacity as well.
Under the Marcos administration, all LGUs are set to receive support through the LGSF.
Hindi maikaila na minsan mahirap at mabagal ang proseso kung minsan pa nawawala yung request. Lalo na sa mga maliliit at malalayong mga LGU. Nakakagulat, nawawala yung request. Bakit kaya yun?
For Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto, the directive signals a shift.
So, mahilo sa politika, hindi ka na magmamakaawa, hindi ka na makikiusap, hindi nakalaan na talaga yung pondo. Tapos, ini-empower yung LGU para kung ano yung kailangan ng LGU.
The LGSF forms part of the broader Bagong Pilipinas Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. As a show of commitment, local government units presented their manifestos, a pledge to use the funds properly and ensure that the benefits are felt by every Filipino.
Clezo Pardilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.